Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by isolating the flood, locate the source block, and stop more water entering the zone by placing a temporary barrier. Use sand, gravel, or dirt to plug flowing streams, and once done, remove hazardous blocks that sustain flow. Make sure to toss a bucket into the water to collect source blocks where possible, or mark them with a torch to revisit. You do this now because containing spread prevents exponential cleanup time and preserves important items and redstone circuitry nearby. Once the source is isolated, you switch to efficient removal. Place sponges tactically to clear large volumes quickly. If sponges fill, they must be dried in a furnace or by smelting. Make sure to carve temporary trenches that guide residual water into one drain so you can scoop source blocks with buckets. You should also replace emptied sections with solid blocks or slabs to prevent accidental refills, and check for hidden pockets of water under slabs or stairs, because those trigger fresh. You finish by restoring structures and confirming the area is dry. Rebuild terrain, fix redstone, and replace any containers you saved. Once done, test by placing a single water block in a safe spot to ensure it doesn't propagate. If water returns, inspect for stacked source blocks, flowing water chains, or a missing block in a conduit. If things go wrong, act quickly. Re-isolate the spot with temporary blocks, remove source blocks with buckets, and deploy a sponge to finish. This prevents repeated damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.